Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, dude.
Let's get out. Oh.
Good morning, and we're back at it again. So it's Monday morning now, so everybody else is probably back at work, and should be a little bit less pressure out there on these birds. So we're gonna try give it another shot. You saw on the last one, we're gonna go back to that same spot. We heard a lot of gobblers in that area, and now we're just gonna come in from a different way and probably stay down at the bottom where we believe those birds went out that way. They didn't go up the fingers, they went down through the bottom through the creek. And as we were pulling out of that area, we ran into a guy that was hunting on the other side of the creek from us, and he had two birds come in, and he ended up being able to harvest one of them. So that's pretty good. He it's probably a couple of the birds that we heard that morning, they just went on that side of the creek and not our side of the creek. But hopefully our luck changes this morning and we're able to get a bird to come in. That's all. Little goals, you know. First goal was to find birds, hear them, did that, check. Now we just got to get them to come in to the decoys or come close, and then hopefully, if it all works together, we'll be able to get one or two. So I will definitely try to double up if I can. So that'd be really awesome. So come along. Hopefully we can make it happen this morning. Well, it's a little after 8. Haven't heard anything. Heard one shot in front of me quite a ways out, but I'm just really confused. Like I said, we came in here Saturday and had probably like six or seven birds gobbling in the morning, and then we down here in this pretty good drainage creek bottom. So came in through the bottom and set up essentially on the other side, on the south side of where we were set up last time, where we thought the birds were at, in the direction that they went out when they got off the roost. So I set up in here early this morning, and nothing. I've done, you know, about every 15 minutes or so I put out some clucks and try to just see if there's one cruising around. If he hears me, maybe he'll come this way. So I'm still pretty novice at turkey hunting. I've never even shot a bird, so I've had hens come into the decoys and jakes and stuff, but I've never got a tom. And, I mean, that was even probably almost 10 years ago now, when I was back in California hunting on some private property. So, but I also don't put a lot of effort into turkey hunting, so it's kind of just one of those things I just get out and kind of do it because it's the season and stuff. So, but this year I really want to get a bird. So we're gonna give it our best, and so I'm probably gonna sit here another hour or so and just see if maybe I can catch one cruising this little skid road that I walked out on Saturday. Yeah, I'm just super confused. This creek bottom is a pretty extensive creek bottom that goes a good distance through the area, so I'm not sure if they're just roosted somewhere else on it, or if they just went quiet Not 100% sure. I don't know. I didn't come in here yesterday, and I don't know if there was a bunch of hunting pressure in here or not. And so between Saturday and Sunday, and I don't know if it pushed the birds out. I know one guy shot a bird in here on the other side of me, probably 300 yards or so. So I don't, just super confused. So if you've ever dealt with that, down here in Georgia, maybe the birds just do some different stuff and they travel so much that they just roost in different areas, and it's kind of just strike of luck if you can get on them. But I don't know, definitely confused. So but, I don't know. It's a good area. Like I said, we heard birds in here. We've seen sign of them scratching on this road, so it's just a matter of time. It's also really cloudy today, and we got some thunderstorms rolling in later this afternoon, so I don't know if that changed the way they act. Versus it was a pretty sunny morning on Saturday, so but yeah, hopefully we can get them to come on in. Alright, so we're gonna pack it on up, get out of here, slowly work our way out of here. We got about a mile, we're about a little over a mile back here, so take our time sneaking through, getting out of here, and maybe we'll come across some birds somewhere else. So we might check out one or two spots on the way home, just see if I can strike up anything or see any sign, because it rained a good amount yesterday, so a lot of the old stuff has been washed out, so we can see if there's any fresh tracks of them moving this morning and come up with a game plan for maybe tomorrow. Alright, but so this was the setup, sitting on this tree. We got a little tom decoy right there, and then a hen sitting right there. So my idea is we're set up on an old skid road right here, and we had some decently fresh sign traveling up and down this. My idea was that as a bird was traveling down this little road, they could see the decoys and they'd want to come in and investigate, and that's if they came around either way. So, and then I set up 90 degrees off of that, thinking that as the birds were locked in on the decoys, I could slowly raise my gun up and not be so pinpointed by the movement, because turkeys have excellent vision, and that's the number one thing that keeps them safe and alive, is their vision. So, but I'm gonna pick these on up and start heading back towards the truck. Truck and headed back towards the house. I'm gonna grab some lunch, and maybe I'll come back out this afternoon. I don't know. Like I said, it's supposed to start raining here, and thunderstorms starting about noon. So I don't know. We'll see. Like I was saying earlier, I'm just super confused. I had birds in there on Saturday, and I don't know if pressure got to them or if maybe they're just on a different loop right now. Not 100% sure why they're not back in there again. Or maybe they were and they're just not talking right now. But not even to hear one. I think I heard one faint one, but it was way off. And then, like I said, I heard that shot. how it works sometimes. So just got to keep grinding at it, be persistent, and be patient. And one day it will all come together, full circle, and we will be successful. So, but yeah, thanks for following along. Thanks for sticking with us, supporting us. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, move over to Instagram and Facebook as well. Follow us along. We post other random stuff on there, and go back and check out some of our other stuff that we've done this year. So it's only going to get better, and with your guys' support, we can get out here and do more. If you haven't, go over to our website as well and check out our gear that we got. We got some hats and some t-shirts and stuff like that. So with that support, it lets us do what we do, and the more support we get, the more often we can go out and do stuff like this, and hopefully catch some content for you guys and be helpful. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.